This video features standard cooking steps and more robust taste options. Look out for the icon throughout the video to cook up a more robust tasting dish. You can scan the QR code on our packaging to view the easy cooking video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. The current meal sauce kit will be replaced by our innovative transformation all-in-one complete sauce. With our convenient, easy-to-use complete sauce for fried Hokkien prawn noodle, you can now make your very own delicious fried Hokkien prawn noodle. This Singapore stir-fried prawn noodle is a scrumptious dish of yellow noodle, thick or thin rice vermicelli braised in an aromatic prawn stock. Add Prima taste sambal chili and drizzle calamansi for that extra umami flavor. Here are the ingredients you need to prepare authentic fried Hokkien prawn noodle at home. Depending on your preference, you may use cooking oil or pork lard oil for a more robust taste. Watch till the end to learn how to make your own pork lard oil and crispy pork lard. You may use pork belly or chicken for this step. Also, you may use all three types of noodles or Hokkien noodle with either thick or thin rice vermicelli as desired. We recommend Prima taste Hokkien noodle. For thick and thin rice vermicelli, here are some brands that we recommend available at your local supermarkets. Now, let's start cooking. Step 1. Heat wok over medium heat and add cooking oil. You may use pork lard oil instead of cooking oil. When oil is hot, add in the garlic and eggs. Fry till the eggs are bubbling. Step 2. Add pork belly or chicken, prawns and squids. Stir-fry the ingredients until fragrant. Every now and then, make sure to scrape the bottom of the wok while stirring so that the ingredients do not stick to the wok. Then add Hokkien noodle, thick rice vermicelli or thin rice vermicelli. You may choose either thin or thick rice vermicelli according to your preference. Add fish sauce for extra flavor. Stir-fry until the noodles are fragrant. Step 3. Add Prima taste fried Hokkien prawn noodle complete sauce into the wok. Stir to mix well. Pour water around the edge of the wok, which should sizzle as it touches the hot wok. Add on chicken stock if you prefer a richer flavor. Continue to scrape the bottom of the wok while stirring. Add bean sprouts and chives. Stir-fry until the ingredients are well mixed. Step 4. Switch to low heat and braise till gravy is absorbed by noodle with some sauce remaining as per desired. Stir with pushing action till gravy coats the noodle. If you prefer, add in some crispy pork lard here. And we're done! Delicious fried Hokkien prawn noodle is ready to serve. Add your desired amount of Prima taste sambal chili and calamansi for that extra burst of umami flavor. Isn't it easy? Try it today! Not only is our complete sauce convenient and easy to use, it is also value for money, offering an average savings of about 29% as compared to other food outlets. Now, here are the steps to preparing your own pork lard oil and crispy pork lard. Step 1. Add water and salt in a bowl and mix well. Then add pork lard cubes and soak for 15 minutes. Drain the pork lard cubes. Step 2. Add the pork lard cubes to a wok on medium-high heat. Fry continuously until oil is released and the pork lard turns golden brown and crispy. Sieve to separate the pork lard oil and crispy pork lard, and they're ready to use. Check out our website for more cooking videos.